Are you interested to create this dog and program it using PictoBlox? Let's begin.
Hi friends, welcome to the unboxing video of Quarky Robo Dog Mini by STEMpedia. So before unboxing, let's see what are the things written around. And by the way, once we finish the unboxing in this video, in the next video we will do the assembling and we'll see how it comes up. So this is for age 8+, and it has nice cute poses. For that you have to upload the source code that they have provided. And yeah, there are different poses, and then AI activity, voice control, block coding, Python coding. So yeah, because this is a product from STEMpedia and they have the software PictoBlox and it's a compatible device, the Quarky, so you can do anything which is supported by the extension. Okay, so what's inside the box? So it has all these 3D parts, a Quarky, a ultrasonic sensor, and USB cable and jumper cables, screwdrivers, some nice cute looking paper cuttings to make the dog looking more beautiful, and servo motors. Definitely without that the dog cannot move, right? So and there is a battery and expansion board, of course, because you are running multiple servo motors, so you need an expansion board. So let's open the sticker. Okay, and then yeah, so this is a thank you message. Thank you for bringing your smart woofy pal home. Hi. Yeah, so if you need help, they have the email ID and all mentioned here. So this QR code, one of the QR code, you have the instruction how to make the robot dog. The other link is to download the PictoBlox from their website. And then the stickers, the Quarky sticker, battery, the main Quarky board, the brain of the dog. This is the expansion board, ultrasonic sensor, the eye of Quarky, the Quarky dog, jumper cables, mostly for the expansion board to connect from Quarky to the expansion board, the screws that's needed for tying up all the things into the 3D parts, and then the 3D parts printed, and then you have the servo motor. So this is MG90S Tower Pro. That's a servo motor is coming with this. So the plastic is shining. Let me open and show you one of them. See, MG90 Tower Pro. Yeah, right. So how many of this? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, and then the data cable to program the Quarky and the screwdriver. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so we have all the things to start making the dog. So what are you waiting for? Yeah, we are waiting for the next video, right? So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.